We'll guide you through how to add Streamlabs widgets to your stream. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Widgets tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to access the widget gallery. Here, you can see a variety of widgets like Alert Box, Chat Box, and Donation Goal. Choose the widget you want to add by clicking on it. You'll be taken to a settings page where you can customize how the widget looks and behaves. Make sure to adjust settings like colors, fonts, and animations to match your stream's theme. After customization, you'll see a widget URL or embed code at the top. Copy this URL. Now, open your streaming software, such as OBS Studio. In OBS, go to the Sources section and click the plus icon to add a new source. Select Browser from the list, then paste the URL you copied from Streamlabs into the URL field. Adjust the width and height to fit your stream layout. Click OK to save the changes. You should now see the widget appear in your preview window. Test it out by triggering a test alert or message from the Streamlabs dashboard to make sure everything is working correctly. If everything looks good, you can go live and watch the magic happen on your stream. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.